Hello and welcome. What if you could pinpoint the beginning of a new trend in its first wave, entering profitably and strategically at the start of the long trend movement? Our indicator based on Elliott Wave Theory gives you just that advantage. It lets you capitalize on the strongest third wave and subsequent impulsive moves. When trends extend beyond 5 waves, potentially up to 10 or more, your potential for profit multiplies as you ride each new impulse. Use this tool to catch the trend from the very beginning and make your trading exceptionally successful. Short disclaimer: all information provided on this channel is intended for educational and informational purposes only. This is not the trade recommendation. I would like to introduce Elliott Trend Waves Long indicator. It's developed to catch very beginning of a new trend and squeeze this trend for best profit trades in impulse waves. This indicator is contain two parts. The first part is a higher frame that identify the biggest trend, and when the big trend is changed, you may see such line. It means change of character, so very beginning of a new trend. After this happening, you may see the waves indicator in works. It start to plot waves. This indicator working in long mode only. It's works good for long bias markets like Bitcoin, mostly long trades, big impulse waves. For S&P also it works good. And but it have some difference with Elliott Wave Theory that have only 5 waves and 3 impulse waves like first, third and fifth waves impulse. This indicator may have unlimited number of waves while big trend is in long. It was made for this unlimited number of waves was made for intraday especially, but it also works on a daily chart time frames. But most interest located in the first waves of moves. And we have rules for trading by this indicator. And the first rules, we need to wait when first wave is finished and it will be plot on the chart. Then second wave will be used as a stop loss for a new trade, and we enter to the market when the first wave breakout. As you can see, we make entry on a breakout of first wave, stop loss on the second wave, and then we have some goals, some profits, some targets for profit. This targets like blue line, aqua line and others, it's calculated by FIBO. It takes the first wave and make a calculation by this first wave. Target shooter additionally added for very closest target. It's this methodic is developed by Larry Williams. The target price is calculated by sum of this first and second wave to the high of the first wave. So it's a distance between first and second wave. Wave 2 can have a different shape. We will talk about it later. So not only this shape of second wave is possible, it may have different shapes. We make entry on the breakout of the first wave, set stop loss on the second wave, and then we may exit partially on a target shooter target, on Fibo targets, and we will trail a remain position by the low of the correctional waves. Like second wave, when we have fourth wave, we put stop loss here. When we have sixth wave, the most important rule, the waves should be go up and up. The high of the waves, the low of the waves, but stop loss put on the low of the previous waves for the rest of the position. As we can see, the exit will happen, the rest of position in this point when 8 waves is breakout to the downside. As we can see in this example, we reach target shooter, profit target 1 and 6 by Fibo, and we point this plus label for profit trades. I have some statistic from April 2024 year. We can see profit trades 11 number and loss trades only 3. I would like to show you how it looks like on a history, how this methodic is working for Bitcoin on Binance market. This is 1st of April 2024. We can see here the change of character, first wave, second wave, and the top of the third wave reach 2 first targets. It's a target shooter and a Fibo 1 and 6 level. Rest we will make exit by second wave low or by this line change of character when a big trend is changed. So in this example we fixed targets here and make exit rest of the position in this point. Next one. The next one we see change of character for a higher time frame. We can see first wave, second wave, and no entry because high of the first wave is not reached, so no entry here. Here is the same. First wave, we cannot see on even second wave. The change of character happens faster. The same. So this is a very big advantage when indicator have first wave, but you don't see second wave, and it's not breakout of the first wave. It do not gives you opportunity to make entry. So if mine bias for Bitcoin is short, it just don't give you to make entry. It works like a good filter for this, for a good trades. Here, next, change of character, first wave, second wave, make entry in this point by breakout of the first wave. We have reached target, the first Fibo target, the target shooter, second target, and we trail stop loss for the rest of position in the low of the correctional waves, like second wave, 4, 6, and 8. As we can see, we reach a lot of targets here by Fibo and almost reach this target too. A little bit difference in the price. It's not so, just a couple of, yes, a little bit do not have price to hit that point, and rest of the position was exit by the 8 waves low around here. We mark it like a plus, first example 2, with a profit. This is first wave, no breakout, so no entry. First wave, second wave, breakout, make entry. the targets was not hit, not here, not here, and the trail stop loss below the low of correctional waves, 4 wave here, and change of character also happens here. So we have entry by this price and exit, so very small loss, stop loss we got in this trade, and it's marked like minus. Next examples, also no breakout of first wave, the same. In this example, first wave, second, third, we made entry because breakout is here, and exit on a below or a second correctional wave. It's marked like minus. Unprofitable trade, stop loss. Next example, first wave, second wave, we make entry here on a breakout of the first wave, then trail stop loss, initial stop loss here, trail stop loss, then move here, and we reach target shooter, 1 and 6 Fibo, not reached, and exit if we trail by low will happens here, the rest of the position. This trade is profitable, so are marketed plus. Next trade, first wave, second wave, entry here, and stop loss. Targets was not reached. Next example, first wave, second wave, third. We have reached target shooter, Fibo not reached, and the exit was made by change of character line when a big trend was changed. So this, if entry to the trade happens here, exit here, it's like market with plus in a profit, and also fixed profit in the target shooter goal. No entry here, no entry because of change of character. Change of character again in the long direction, first wave, second wave, third wave, make entry, stop loss here, trail stop loss, first target shooter, and almost, I think it's reached, the second, not reach second target for Fibo, but this trade is in a profit, close in a profit, while change of character over here. An entry was made here. Next example, first wave not breakout, and here the big trend soon will begin on Bitcoin. We can see over the first wave, stop loss here, made entry, first target almost reached, target shooter almost reached, but exit was made over there when the change of characters happens, so this trade goes in a profit. Next example, first wave, second wave, entry here, stop loss here, first two targets reached, stop loss, we move stop loss on a low fourth wave, sixth wave, and make exit here. It's this trade in a profit, marked with plus. Next trade, first wave, second wave, entry, target shooter, first goal, and the rest by the change of character. So this trend is in a plus. Next trade, first wave, second wave, made entry, stop loss here, move stop loss here, first goal by target shooter is reached, 1 and 6 Fibo, second Fibo target is reached, and the change of character is over here. So we made entry in this point, made exit here, the rest of position. Next example, first wave, second wave, breakout, stop loss, move stop loss below the fourth waves, and we see 3 targets is reached over there, and ultimate exit also made in profit. Next example. Last example happens recently in November 2024. First wave, change of character, first wave, second wave, made entry over there, target shooter, 1 and 6 target. We trail the rest of the position by the law of correctional waves and make ultimate exit over there. So this trade is in a profit. Summary, it was like 14 trades, 11 in a profit, 3 in a loss. So this is more than 70% of win rate. I hope you like this presentation of this indicator. It works well on intraday charts, on daily charts. This long version of indicator is good for Bitcoin, S&P. So if you're interested, let me know. This indicator will be available for a subscription. And I hope you have a joy watching this video and discover new opportunities for capital growth with our solution. Start using our solution and take control of trend movements today. Thank you.